Hello guys, let's flex this wok in with my pasta until it's simmering. Then I brought it down. I did the eggs and also fried that as well. And after frying my eggs, I brought it out. And then went in also with my stir-fried veggies because I like, especially carrots, to be crunchy. So I did a bit of sesame and all that, and I fried it all together. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. It was really crunchy, to be honest, and it tasted really lovely. The kids were excited. I went in again with the eggs and the pasta and everything. I mixed it all together with my smoked sausages. And here is voila, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. See you later.